Ranch Houston 1.0 is about to be totally different. Isn't that right, Pootie? We're about to be on serious fuck around and find out mode. Come on, let's find them. We are Lenny and Tamika Caston Miller, building a collaborative space for farming, collaborative gardening, yoga, and art. Follow our journey to see how we do all of this on a shoestring. So remember when I said we may not come back, we may destroy some things? Beds 1 and 2, gone. And I thought it was fall. Like, what is this weather? It's like sunny and hot out here. All right, can't wait to, like, this is part of the fun process, so just like taking things down and being okay with this middle section. What's really interesting to me is that I always am like that person that wants things to hurry up and be done. Am I right?
Yeah.
But this can't be rushed. This is important. We're redesigning the farm. We're redesigning the garden. So we really aren't quite sure what we're going to find in these beds. So let's take a look. So we use hugelkultur, which is a method of using less, having less waste. So you can see that, wow, this is, as much as the ants get on our nerves, they've done such a great job of breaking down all of that soil, all the, when we pull out another bed, you'll be able to see what this looks like. But essentially it is, we put in layers of like stumps and wood. And then we put in our lesser rich soil and then our super rich soil on top of that. But we are using like stumps and wood and tree pieces to fill in the bottom. And it slowly breaks down. And it also means that we use less soil, so there's less waste.
The hugelkultur is more prevalent over here.
All right, let's go see if we can notice more of the hugelkultur. Oh, because this is one of our newer ones. We just did this bed before we decided we were going to switch it up. So you can see all of those layers. Oh, ants.
Sorry, little guys.
Maybe leave that little guy. Maybe they leave that one. Yeah. Ants are having a field day. But again, as we just realized, like, the ants are really, they're a pain in the rump. But they're doing a job of, they're doing their job. Look at that. So this is a newer bed to where you can actually see the layers. You can see the rich soil at the top. We ended up not planting this one when we decided we were going to make changes. And because usually what we would do is we would alternate then soil from mulch. So all of this looks like the same layer. Yeah, look at that.
If even, honestly.
Be careful of those ants.
Oh yeah, forgot.
while I'm out here, I might as well go check in on our hibiscus because I think that it might be ready. This bed is last because it's last, but also because we actually have hibiscus growing in it right now. Oh, but I do want to show you, like, there's a little more evidence of our hugelkultur here. Now this one actually has like rock in it because we were using that rock to anchor some things down. We would not bury that on purpose. Look at their hibiscus. Pretty babies. Wow. She is replete with fruit. Roselle, hibiscus. And we're also super reluctant to do a lot in this bed just because our sweet potatoes are here. And we had an amazing experience of harvesting our sweet potatoes last year. So we really want to make sure that they're ready before we pull them out. And then our little okra trees, we're going to go ahead and take them out since we are in the redesign. So that's a little bit about our process. Really excited to keep doing this, but I tell you what, it's a lot of work. But like half the work is already done. It's pretty, not half the work, half of the deconstruction before the reconstruction's done. So essentially all that you're seeing right now is going to go away. We're going to level out the land. We're going to place down a silage tarp, and then we will start building up for the flower farm.